Today is a red letter day for me. I got 7 boxes from Crossfield Publishing. Can you actually say that you love your publisher? Well, I love my publisher, Tina Crossfield. She has done a magnificent job on this book. We've worked on it. It's been about 3 years in the making, editing with some little pitfalls along the way. This is the second book that Tina has published for me, Algonquin Legacy. She finished my Algonquin Quest series. And this book was designed by Magdalene Carson, and it is magnificent. The artwork on it is gorgeous. I love this book. The 2 blue feathers, which are reminiscent of the 2 tattoos, of the tattoo on the back right shoulder of the Elk Whistle Warrior Society women, and on the left calf of the men that aid them. The elk whistles, which they used to call them inikishi, and the beautiful overlay of the writing on the elk on the back. Crossfield Publishing punches above their weight, and Tina Crossfield is such a wonderful publisher. She extended my writing career, which I really appreciate, and I hope this book inside is as good as what the outside is. This book has been in 3 years in the making, and some footfalls along the way, but we got it done. Miigwech, Crossfield Publishing.